Hey guys, we're gonna try a ice fishing trap. Greg Ovens did it. We've already built 3, but I'll show you guys how we do it. And we did change and modify the way he does it. I think I made it a little bit better. So you just want a piece of wood and a little drill, a hole in it, right in the center. Hog it out a bit on both sides. Okay. Now, what he did is he mounted the mouse trap right here, like this, but when he bolted it down, he left it kind of loose because he put the string under here, which is not really an effective way of doing it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to hog out a little trench for that fishing line so it doesn't get caught underneath. Just like that. Very good job, camera boy Seth. So that's what it looks like. So we made a trench in there for the fishing line. And then we'll take the trap and put trigger side over here, adjacent to the hole. Change the bits out. And we'll drill a hole here. We'll stick a screw in there. And then one on the other side. It's nothing fancy, but I've watched his videos and this trap is deadly. It works good. So we're going to do it ourselves, and we're making our own modifications. And I think it's going to be awesome. All right, so we got that nice and mounted. So now we're just going to use some fishing line. Grab generous length. And then we want to make the lines somewhat equal in length. Okay, cut right there. Good enough. Now what I'm doing here is I'm going to tie it. I'm going to match up the one ends here, and I'm going to put it on a swivel. And then the other side of the swivel is where you're going to attach your leader line out in the lake, wherever you're at, and you'll attach it to the other end. You just want to tie that to there. I ain't going nowhere. That is tight. Right? Now, the tricky part here is you want to feed the one line through the bottom of the trap in that little trench we made. That could be quite tricky. Okay, so we ran our wire or our fishing line through, as you can see. Now, what we're going to do is the one that runs down the channel, you will eventually tie it to the trigger, like that, okay? And then you're going to tie the other line to this part in the center here. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I got everything tied here. Now we're going to set the mouse trap, and I'm going to show you how it works. So, I'm going to set it. Whoop, blooper. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and set the mouse trap. Everything's good to go. And go ahead and set it here. Everything Okay, so that's set. Now if you come down here and look, this is where you're going to tie on. Now go back up there. Now when the fish bites, boom, you'll have it hooked, and then you'll also have it audio, because that's loud, so you'll know when you get a bite. And then you just pull it up by hand. Away you go. So let's go try it out, buddy. We'll try it out tomorrow at the lake.
Yeah.
See you guys out there.
Hi.
We're on the lake finally, hey?
Yeah.
It's cold out, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Well, we got our 4 traps out. Set up 4 in a square pattern. We literally just got set up, so no success yet. I think I'm low on 2 of them, so I'm going to raise them up, but we're only in about 5 to 8 feet of water here, not very deep. This is West Lake. Nice quiet lake, we're the only ones here. It's a little off the beaten path, so less people. There's kokanee, cutthroat, and rainbow in here. And hopefully we can get some, right, bud?
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Oh.
All right, let's go clear the hose.
Okay. Let's go. Okay, here is the first hole.
All right, that one's good to go. Unfortunately, we haven't caught anything yet on West Lake. It's been about 2 hours, but we're moving towards the center of the lake and to the other side to figure out different depths to see if anything bites today. If not, we'll have to come back again there.
Yeah. Okay, so here is the second hole.
This one's in the middle of the lake. This lake's not very deep. I think this hole is only about maybe 15 feet maximum. This is not a very deep lake. We'll clear that hole and then we'll go back and have some
Lava soup.
We'll have some lava soup.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna have some lava soup. So let's get those mugs.
A little bit of ash in them.
That's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Just adds a little seasoning, right?
Yeah, it's like seasoning. So let's see that lava soup. Into this mug, that's Dad's.
Yeah. There we go.
See that lava soup.
Yep, lava soup.
There we go.
Some for Dada. We can give him more than that. Here you go, Dahan.
Thank you.
Okay, here's Mom's mug.
No, this is yours. I don't want
Oh,
any lava
mine?
soup. Yeah. Is
Okay.
that enough for you?
Okay.
I can have some, but I want to have my I have hot water for myself.
Okay.
Put this away so if you guys want more to warm up.
This is tasty soup.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to have some in your soup.
Yeah, it's gonna
Oh,
be
be
really
careful.
tasty. Okay, have it blow on it.
Is it super hot, like Burnham hot?
It's hot.
Ooh, that's nice.
Alright, enjoy your soup, guys.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to start to drill our last hole. Right there. Might take a little bit.
Holy cow, did you hear that?
Yeah, what was that?
That was the lake giving away pressure. Look at that, it actually formed a crack. Take a look at this. That's that sound. Look at the crack it just made. We just relieved a whole bunch of pressure.
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty intense.
I know.
I don't know if the camera picked that up, but actually there's 2 cracks I can see.
Hmm?
Yeah, no, 3 cracks. Look at that, holy cow. Look at this. Look at this crack here too. Look at that. Look how big it is too. That's like a 1/4 inch crack we just made.
Wow.
That's kind of nerve-wracking, but it's really thick here, so don't worry. and about a foot thick of ice. So yeah, we just created I can see at least 1, 2, 3, 4 big cracks. That's crazy. Okay, here we go. We're gonna break through. Let's see if it makes any more noise. Oh, right there. We broke through. It's all of a foot thick though, guys. It's like, let's see, here's the, oh yeah, so about that thick to here. So that's about a foot. We're safe. But that definitely created a noise I've never heard before. And I've ice fished my whole life. That was cool. Let's clear the ice out. It's not going to be very deep here. I'd say 6 to 5 feet maximum. That was cool.
Yeah. I've never seen that before since I ice fished.
Never seen it before. You know what? I'm not even. Whoa. That was set the whole time.
Did not know that.
Yeah. Okay, so our trigger is definitely working. I'm just gonna. It's not gonna be very deep here, so we'll just reset this as is. So set the mouse trap. That trigger system definitely works, folks.
Yeah.
We've just not been very lucky today.
I know.
We will get fish one day.
Yeah.
Alrighty, Roo.
Alrighty.
Hi. Yeah, ice fishing at Onion Lake this time.
I think you mean Onion Lake.
Oh yeah, Onion Lake.
All right, buddy.
Did a first trap with Dale.
Yeah.
Second trap is over here.
There's our setup again. The second trap's here, buddy. That's an old hole. Yeah.
And upper one is over here.
Okay. A little bit further out. So all these traps are at different depths, right?
Yeah.
I think the first one's at 6 feet. The second one's about 15 feet. Third one's about 20. And our last one is about, I'd say, 30 to 40. It gets quite deep here, actually. In the middle of the lake, it's 80 to 90. Or no, it's 100 feet, actually. Yeah, it's pretty deep.
I know.
And this is our last hole.
I know.
All right. Now what are we going to do?
We're going to those stones way over there.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi. Where are we?
I found we're at the stones.
Yeah, at the other end of the lake. That's right. Ah, you're funny. Okay, so where's Mom?
She's way over there.
Oh, yeah. It's not a very big lake, but that's a good size distance. I don't know. Say 300 meters?
Yeah.
All right. Now, where do we go?
We should probably check out that like wood stuff.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
This wood stuff. What is this wood stuff?
You know what I'm thinking it is? It's probably over the dock.
It looked like it could have been a dock at one time. Almost looks like it could have been a trap too for something, but I don't know.
Yeah.
It's weird. Or it's just holding back this bank here for no particular reason. Yeah, I don't know what would have been here.
Yeah.
Kind of weird. Maybe an old dock.
Maybe.
Okay. Well, let's head back now, bud.
Yep.
So we figured it out, what this is. So if you look around the lake, look at the rocks here, there's no weeds or vegetation in it. It goes perfectly like that all around the lake. And that's about a good 4 feet. So in the summertime, this lake would be about this deep, much deeper right here where my hand is. So knowing that, if you come over here where this wood was that we found, it means the lake would have been right around this height. So this log right here would just be sticking out of the water ever so slightly. So someone drove a nail in it. And that means from about, okay, back up a bit, buddy.
Okay.
So that means from about here and then down. So back up so they can see how far down it would be. So from here down to the ground would be underwater. So this trap would all be underwater up to here. So somebody would come in by in a boat or whatever, wrap their line around here with a sheet down here for the fish. And this is perfect for them right in here. So that's what I think it is. I think it's a fish. We'll set it for a fish, a jig.
Yeah.
All right, let's go see mom now, buddy.
Okay.
We're going to be packing up, but first I take the nose stuff out. But Mom said I should probably snap them.
I think that mouse is a
Maybe
bit of
that's
a
why we
chicken.
don't get fish, eh?
Yeah, maybe they are biting.
There you
Oh,
go.
there goes one. All right, let's let Dad bring that one up. We'll go get the other ones.
Yeah.
All right.
What you do?
All right, I think your mouse needs to be a little more brave. Okay?
Now it has to be good.
Oh, no. There it goes. All right, that's 2 of 4.
Last one.
Oh, no, this is 3 of 4. Yeah. There we go. Good job. See? You're a good little fisherman worker. There we go. Good stuff. All right, let's go pack up our snacks and get ready to go.
Yeah.
All right.
Bye. Catch you on the next one.